wear sunglasses every day like it's sunny in here.
My future's so bright.
Oh my God. There it is, folks. Trader Bryce is in the house. How's
Yeah,
your
he
day?
is. Another red day. This actually is probably my biggest red day streak since like October. I read like 2K today. Again, I'm keeping them small, relatively speaking, but 3 in a row. I have a rule that I do when I trade stocks. You know what I mean? Like if I can't get a feel by the trade for the third attempt, if I enter 3 times and lose each time, I got to be done with it. This is probably my sign to like actually take a small break from actually placing trades. Maybe keep watching the market. Sure. A little discipline test, and clearly I'm just not getting the movers suck right now. Oh, you know what? This isn't the one I wanted to go over. Sorry. While I'm thinking about it, change it to OBSV. Yeah, no, I just can't get a good feel for the market. Even like this morning was really tough. This was the trade that basically put me almost green. And I hit some midday mover. But anyways, yeah, Matt didn't really trade today. So there's not a whole lot to go over here, but talk about
Full transparency, I am red about $14 because I got some FOMO midday. I'm heading back to New York, so I'm like trying not to trade because a lesson I've learned.
We're actually in the bus right now. This is a studio bus today.
Exactly. He's not wrong. But a lesson I've learned, it took me way too long to learn, was just like when something's going on in my life, I'm moving, I'm traveling, I'm doing anything really like a big life event, I lose money like in the market, almost guaranteed. So yesterday I had a red day. Today I was like, I'm not going to trade. I'm not going to trade tomorrow. Thursday I'm driving back to New York from Texas, so it's a bit of a drive. But on the one of these trades today, I had some FOMO, so I bought some shares and lost $14. So I kept the red streak going.
Well, is it really fun if you don't keep a streak going at least? You know what I mean?
Total FOMO trade, really just horrible trade. So let's pull up the charts here. JZXN is my $14 loser. We've talked about this one in the past. This is an IPO that's just gotten absolutely clobbered like all IPOs. We were looking for this to bounce. Today it had some more volume, not as much as these previous days, but it looked like it was trying to attempt. So I FOMO slapped in, like right in here, 3,000 shares, I think, and wrote it up. And then it came back basically to my entry, and I was like, "What am I doing? This is stupid." I took the trade from my phone too. Like I didn't have my setup. Stupid. Lost $14. Called it a day. Wrapped it up. And I'm, this is my last small cap recap for the next 2 days. You're stuck with this guy. God bless everybody watching this still.
Good luck, everyone. We're gonna get really wild in here. I might not be.
Hide your husbands. Hide your
sisters.
Your daughters.
That's right, Matt.
Your brothers and your sons. You got Trader Bryce for the next 2 days.
Let's go. I hit this too. I really quick. Yeah, no, I tried it. Go right before that little weird dump candle. A little bit before. Right there. Tried it there. Got faked out on the dump. Bought right back in at 395 after I saw that recover. Sold into the 420s. Traded it one more time from 420 up to 440. Scalpy. That's, it's funny. I make money when I scalp in this market. When
It's
I try
tough.
to hold
we're in for something we literally have not seen in 2 years, and that's a summer market.
I know.
It's normal. It's natural. It feels weird. It feels like the market's broken, but 2020 wasn't normal.
This week so far, and at the end of last week, this has been what summer is like.
Yep.
Maybe even a little better than 2019 still.
Still, yeah. There's still movers, but it's not here to stay. It's, it's just a different market.
The market is cyclical, folks.
About it. So OBSV, let's talk about what you got here.
Yep. So I was kind of on tilt when I took this trade. Funny enough, I was red, I think about $4,000 from a couple other trades I tried. And I was like, you know what? This has a really interesting setup to it. If you want to go to the daily chart really quick. Gap up. And it just had this look. It was holding really well. You can go back to the intraday now. Was holding really well at lows, and so I took 10,000 shares at 306. You're right there, you know it. Yep.
Yeah, I've traded with this guy enough times. I've seen his trades.
10,000 shares at 306, and I put a message in Small Cap Rocket saying I need to walk away because this has potential to actually work really well, and I'm on tilt. So as I went to walk away, it broke high a day. I was like, oh, that's beautiful. So I took off 2,000 shares at 320, another 2,000 at like 325, then scaled out the rest between 340 and 350. Basically put me, I was down like 40, I think I was down like 4,500, put me down to like negative $900. And I was like, okay, I'm done. and I wasn't done. I came back, actually made it up with AHPI, which it doesn't matter. It didn't end up working later in the day, but made it back up to a couple thousand, then got unfortunately just stuck in a really random low volume dump on Neuro, which that's a risk when I'm trading some of these crappier plays. It happened. And
I thought that was Kyle Williams calling us, so I was going to bring him on as a special guest, but
we have an unknown name we could bring on as a special guest from New York, New York.
I did miss a call from Kyle Williams and a couple text messages, so sorry, no special guest today. Maybe next time.
Maybe next time.
You have tomorrow. You can bring on special guests.
I'll bring on a special guest.
Oh.
I don't know who yet.
Bryce is my special guest.
Aww.
He's special.
Oh, something like that, yeah.
You want to close this out, Tui?
Yeah, guys, it's the same drill. I personally am probably going to take a little bit of time off of actually trading. I'll be watching the markets. It's kind of more like studying. It's never too late to learn. Sometimes that's all you got to do, right?
Something just came back to my head. Sykes said it all the time, and it just really wasn't applicable, so I think he stopped saying it, but he is a retired trader.
Yep.
And I think that's the right mindset right now. 2020, it wasn't. It was time, pedal to the metal. But now we are in retired trading mindset. Wait for a trade that's just so good, you have to come out of retirement. And at that point, take the trade. Otherwise, you're just a retired trader. You're just living your best life.
Yeah, live life, nail and bail if you are going to trade, and avoid big losses. Preservation mode is upon us.
Love, peace, happiness.
Live, love, learn.
Laugh.
Well, I said learn because there's always more to learn, guys. We will catch you. Well, I will catch you here tomorrow. Matt will be on the road. And will we have you next week? Are we going to have you next week?
I'll be on.
Cool.
We'll have to Zoom. We'll put me on the special TV box.
Yeah. Well, I'm heading back to New York later next week, too. So maybe we can meet up and do one at your place in New York.
It's a beautiful place.
That would be fun. All right, guys. Until tomorrow where you have just me, we're out of here.
I know.